Hi, my name is Jennifer McLaughlin, and I'm the 2018 Chair of the American Chemical Society National Committee on Public Relations and Communications, or CPRC as it's known within the ACS. As I discussed in my Chemical and Engineering ACS News comment on January 15, 2018, titled Public Relations Makeover, Rebranding for the Digital Age, CPRC is currently offering public relations makeovers to ACS local sections and divisions. What exactly is a PR makeover? It's an opportunity to have a team of dedicated CPRC, PR, and communications enthusiasts assist you and your leadership team to craft a PR strategy for your local section or division. We begin with an analysis of your ACS annual report, website, newsletter, email blasts, and social media, and any other relevant forms of communication with your membership base. Next, we meet with you to discuss specific goals and how we can help you achieve them with a newly revamped PR infrastructure. Please contact me if you are interested in learning more about the CPRC PR Makeover Initiative. Want to expand your use of social media in 2018, personally or professionally? Consider attending the CPRC Social Media 101 workshop at the Spring National ACS meeting in New Orleans on Sunday morning, March 18, 2018, from 9 a.m. to 12 noon at the Hilton New Orleans Riverside in Salon A, Section 4. If you plan to attend, please use this bit.ly link to RSVP, bit.ly/ChemSM101. Looking forward to seeing you in Crescent City.